If somebody were to say 3 years ago, your business is going to become a multi-million-dollar business, I would be like, are you kidding me? My name is Amy Lacy, and I'm the owner and founder of Califlour Foods. Califlour Foods was the first cauliflower pizza crust to hit the market. About 10 years ago, I was diagnosed with lupus, almost died. My intention was to really cure myself with food and make food medicine. So I started going to the internet and looking at ways to find a grain-free cauliflower pizza crust. Finally, we perfected it. We came up with this proprietary process that we still use today. Just fresh cauliflower, eggs, cheese, and spices. And people loved them. And finally, our local market there said, hey, would you be interested in selling it in our market? So I basically cleared out our savings account, and that's how Califlour Foods became a product, and it's grown ever since then. 8 of us built this company. I hired my first employee at the end of 2016, and then by the end of 2017, I had 8 employees, and in 2018, we took the company from 5.2 to 20 million. And it's just us 8 women and 1 guy. None of us had, but 1 person had experience in the food industry, but everybody was just hungry, humble, and had strong emotional intelligence. And those are my 3 criteria. But the great thing is we did do almost 20 million in e-commerce sales last year in 2018. And 95% of that was direct to consumer, 5% was Amazon, and then we had, well, I should say a little percent was grocery. But this year, our whole goal was to go grocery. So we've gone nationwide with Walmart. We're in a little over 6,000 stores now. So that's huge growth for grocery. Surround yourself with people that know more than you do. So I was able to surround myself with like-minded people, so you share that same value system. Have those people working with you, but surround yourself. I have an advisory board with people that have been in the business for years. They've launched products that have been billion-dollar products, and I want to learn from those people. Stay silent and learn from them. But don't be afraid to take risks. Don't run your business off of fear. As a startup, there was a lot of fear-based decisions that I made, and they became mistakes, and we learned from them, so we grew. But don't operate out of fear. If you believe in it and you're passionate enough about it and you've got people to support you, go for it. Go for it, and know that when those mistakes happen, or those setbacks, or a day where your sales go negative and not positive, that you're in for growth. You really, truly are. You're going to grow, and if you keep at it, it's going to eventually stick and move forward. And that's what happened with us. So definitely don't be fear-based. Surround yourself with like-minded people that are helping you, but then also surround yourself with people who have been there, done that better than you, so you can learn from them. Simple, but life-changing in the business for us.